Hey guys, it's Steven from KR Motorsports. We're working on a 2015 WRX STI here at the shop. So we wanted to do a video on this just for really our reference. So this customer is using the Cobb Nextgen Flexfuel, and then he switched over to the Radium parallel setup. Now, Radium does sell a fuel line kit, but it's not designed to work with the Flexfuel. And then same deal, Cobb has their line kit, but it's not designed for the Radium fuel rail. So we had to add a bunch of lines and fittings to get this all correct. So for those who don't know, the Radium setup is a parallel setup, but there is no return line. So on either rail, it's only got the feed. It's only got the feed right there. So there's no return line. So it makes the setup a lot cleaner. It's a lot easier to install. So I'm a huge fan of it. So we'll start over on the passenger side. Again, as you can see, the passenger side is capped off, and we've got the feed. We've got the Radium rail fitting right there that goes to a 90, a 6AN 90, and it goes across, and it simply goes into the regulator side. So for the passenger side is a little bit more confusing. So we use a 45 here, and the 45 goes down to a 90 down there, and from the 90 it goes to another quick 3/8 quick connect to 6AN, and from the other side we have Cobb's quick connect to 6AN, and from here it goes to a 180, and from the 180 it runs directly into the rail there. So Radium Cobb has their own respective fuel lines, but we weren't able to repurpose any of it, with the exception of the 3/8 to 6AN quick connect here. Everything else we had to add. So just for reference, for those who need a list, we did a 6AN 180 to a 6AN 45. The other side, we added the 3/8 quick connect to 6AN to a 6AN to a 45. And then from here, it's a 6AN 90 to another 6AN 90 on the other side, and that's basically it. The truth be told is we don't really build a lot of high horsepower cars, so we don't really know the limit of this setup just yet. I mean, we sell a lot of Radium stuff, and we're really, really happy with it. The biggest thing that I really like about this kit, especially these new ones here, is that the fuel pressure is just with this little thumb turn here now. So you don't have to deal with set screws or a nut or Allen screws or anything. You can literally turn it by hand. So, but yeah, so we use part of Radium's kit essentially from the stock fuel lines, the bracket, and the regulator, and then this end. And then we also use, we retain Cobb's mounting bracket. So down the line, what we'd like to do is just call Radium direct and see if we can buy like their partial kit, and then just make the rest like we normally do. So hopefully that helps someone out there.